What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. In this vlog we're doing some more V8 stuff. As you can remember, we had a video ago on a V8, one UZ V8, and I'm here with Mr. Jaybee, who so he said that one of the hurdles he was facing was the flywheel for the V8, and that's what we're about to do today. And we're actually going to widen the hose, and I'll let him explain soon on that. But let's just go through the process and everything.
Yeah, managed to drill these big ones are the original holes.
And then you managed to...
Yeah, those ones. One. So, hapa pasia na pakati. I'm going to try it. Inaweza kana mtenda pakati kwa pasia.
Ndio fupi aliko. Okay. So mfuna pakule.
To this diameter. In the boat when using that. So tena mguu dabu akangi na tena resangi na mura kwa.
Sasa tubendezeo.
Mtalizo.
Na ija. Ndaiguma. Unza jabu resangi. Yeah, tunapata again hapo, but we thought maybe ukana shaft yako nikana ni guide.
Very different in the worksuit though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do.
I was hoping you could try and explain to the viewers what exactly you've done now.
To that.
Because some people here just see too many holes and don't understand anything.
We'll explain.
Isn't there another one here? Such there's like a very good comparison.
There's three. There's this one, there's that one there. There's this one and that one. Yeah.
It's the same one as that one?
No, it's something different. That has
And it's just, I think for explanation's sake, it'll be good.
yeah, that has
I don't know, I feel bad putting this on top of your car though.
That's okay. I'm gonna paint it. What we did was this is the spacer that comes at the back of the flex plate on the one you said. It's got 8 holes, as you can see. So like I explained last time, the challenge I had was I needed a flywheel with 8 holes and not 6, because I have these are 6. I needed one with 8 holes because it would be easier to get this PCD that's here and put it on the flywheel. So I went to like Soweto, because that's where you go when you need anything, and I got this flywheel which has 8 original holes. These big ones here, these are 8, but then of course these 8 can't fit on the UZ because they are a bit narrower, so I needed to have a machinist drill 8 new holes using this spacer as a template, and yeah, so we have it like that. So we have 8 new holes there, and then today we managed to get this centerpiece machined as well so that it can fit on the crankshaft, because it wasn't. And then we swapped this ring gear. Yeah.
This is so different.
Yeah, we swapped this. These you see where it has these teeth that are a bit eaten. This was on this side. That's how it originally comes on these flywheels. So on the UZ, the starter is at the back of it's on the engine. So I needed this to be swapped onto the other side. So yeah, now we just want to see if it fits on the engine.
I know it will fit.
If it doesn't fit, well, we have to make plans. Yeah, that's project life for you. Okay, so time to do the test fits. Okay, so we get this guy. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, it fits. Okay, but the only issue now is I need to put this guy at the back, because the way it is, it's too far in. It's already rubbing on the starter at the top, and then it's rubbing at the back of the flywheel. So I need to pull this out, put this guy first, the spacer, then put this guy. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's see if we can thread in some bolts in there. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, just trying to thread this thing in. There we go, that's one. Oh man, this is sweet. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. I'm short of 2 bolts, but that's not hard. I can find some somewhere. But she fits. Yep, she fits. looks pretty awesome. We've got plenty of clearance back here. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna look. That's awesome.
So what's your bucket list now for what's remaining to do?
What's remaining now, since I've passed this milestone for Flywheel, I need to sort out the bell housing for the box. I need to start making measurements and seeing where the bell housing will be cut. I actually need even to get the one from here so that I can do the proper measurements and go cut it and come and measure and go cut again and measure and until things are perfect, then weld it all up, then yeah.
I think one thing I also forgot to ask is on the engine part, you don't plan on doing any work to the engine?
No, I will.
Just bone stock.
It is bone stock right now. I will do some work on the engine, but that's later. Firstly, I just want to run the car because I know it can start. I checked for compression. It has compression. I have studied it before in the original body, so I know it works. So now I just want to start it. I run it, the car drives, then I can now start replacing some things on the engine. Water pump, oil pump, some coils, and all that stuff. Do another service, even though the oil in there is good, but I'll do another service anyway.
Is there a way of making more power with just like changing better spark plugs? Obviously fuel adds some more power, just like maybe a little bit if you have more fuel flow, isn't it?
Yeah,
if, like increase spark or something like that.
Yeah, there will be more power, but it's just a very small minimal amount.
I know cams make camshaft to increase, like these cars have one camshaft, isn't it? Like just on the middle.
It's got 4 camshafts.
It's got 4.
Yes.
Wow.
Come and show you. It's got 4 camshafts.
That's crazy. Because I see the American V8s usually just have like one in between.
You see this one? This one here with this gear goes all the way straight down.
Okay, like it now makes sense.
It goes all the way straight down, and then in the top here, right here, there's 2 gears that are they mesh together. So when this one spins, it spins the other one this side. It spins the other camshaft this side.
That's the exhaust, or
actually the gears are here in the middle here. But yeah, this whole power these are the gears. So you've got your intake here and the exhaust this side. So when the intake cam spins, it spins the exhaust cam as well.
So you're not planning on changing the camshaft just for like more power?
No, if I want more power, I can just simply get a dictator and be done with it. I'll get all the power I can get from the engine. Like if you're gonna go by changing cams, then that would be like a serious build. That's like you're looking for power like 600 horsepower.
Because you have to tune them, the fuel, and all that.
The cams, you have to go for a tune and all that.
But I'm happy with this build because I feel like you're using more of ingenuity.
It's a budget build. I'm on a budget.
It's a very expensive budget.
It is.
Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know you learned something just as I did, and we'll be keeping an eye on this project. I am so thankful to Mr. Jaybee as I close off this video. So I hope that you have subscribed and that we continue growing. This is very nice. I really love this project, and I just hope and expect that we'll be here till it's eventually done. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which should be a very exciting one. So don't miss that one. Yeah, you shouldn't miss that one.